Kapon ka. Hello. So tired.
Excited para ako.
Wow. Hi there. First night in Thailand. Can we go outside?
Oh, yeah, please. Taking pictures.
Your light?
Pero meron dito sa babae. Ito kaya mo.
Pero ang ganda, I mean, simple lang siya pero ang linis. Tapos, bango no?
Kaya nga eh. Uy, ako naman.
Ay,
Tara.
ako
Ah.
din.
Uno.
Sarap mo.
Parang kasi nahiyangan.
Nang huli na. Kasi nung patabi.
Opo, kasi hindi niya sabi.
Right?
Thank you.
Wala pa tayong cash.
Hindi ko nga dinala, di ba?
Withdraw mo na. May ATM sa naman.
O sige, withdraw muna tayo. Wala palang pera. ATM ba yan? Hindi yan ATM. Where? Ayun. 10K lang muna.
10K lang muna.
Oo.
Ayun yan ba?
South man yung sandwich.
Walang makain.
Nahirapan siya. Kaya nga, sabi ko hindi ka makakapagpagod. Alam ko, kailangan ko ng comfort food. Ano to?
Wala ito tapos. Siguro gutom na gutom na.
Ito pala yan. Doon kaya? Doon yung ano eh.
Order ka na ng shake natin. Okay. With milk. Thank you. Okay, did I have moving? Do you know where?
Mopi?
Yeah, moving. Oh, 7 in the morning.
Only morning.
Okay.
Kaya pala
And secure, right?
Meron pala mag-vlog pag introvert. Hindi ka masyadong dadal. Thank you. Kapon ka.
People are saying. For Filipino. Oh, okay.
Philippines.
Midnight.
Maday?
My dad. Die.
Day.
Stay in Thai. Say, Nam
Nam
Pan.
Pan?
Yes.
Pan.
Nam Pan.
Smoothie?
Yes. Say, Nam Pan.
Nam Pan.
This 140. 925. Thank you so much.
Kapon ka. Sawadee ka. Hindi natin alam paano tayo order.
Pad Thai. We have Pad Thai.
Pad. Ah,
นี่เหรอ
ใช่
เผ็ดนะ เผ็ดนะ
อ่า
ทูอะไรล่ะเนี่ยทูไข่ดาวด้วยขนาดไม่ต้องเผ็ดนะเลสไปซี่ yes
ใช่
thank you
ขอบคุณค่ะ thank you
ถามไอ้ยี่นี่หรือเปล่า
Here's her basins of pork rice.